Yo, what's up YouTube? So in today's video, I just recently on my dashboard, on my channel dashboard, saw the ideas for you. YouTube Shorts are going to be eligible next year to create and make money and help you out with the partner program. Introducing YPP eligibility criteria for shorts creators. YouTube Shorts ad revenue sharing. Super thanks for shorts. Create with music and earn. So right here, big news, shorts revenue sharing and more ways to earn a growth with YPP in 2023. So what do we have? 3-4 more months left, so that's really close. And me personally, being a very small content creator and YouTuber, it's gonna help out a lot because my shorts get way more views than my normal videos do. Coming 2023, more ways to get your your partner program eligibility. So you still need 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty difficult at the start, but this is where it changes, right? With the shorts, you can do 10 million total views in 90 days. Now that is big. 10 million views in 90 days and 1,000 subscribers. Or you can do the normal 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in 12 months. So you get a whole year for that compared to 90 days, 10 million views with the shorts. So both are very hard, but at least we get a new option for smaller streamers that maybe only want to post 30-second clips, minute clips, even 10-second clips, and get a lot more views. So I think this really helps out a lot. A couple countries like Russia aren't eligible for this to make money still because the whole thing going on over there, but everybody else that is normally with the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours is valid for this new thing coming in 2023. You're going to be able to make money on your shorts and get your watch hours up with shorts coming in 2023. Peace.